Hello, are you ready for your spoken round?
Yes, sir, I am ready for a spoken round.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Anjali Chaudhary.
Good. Today I am going to ask you certain questions. Okay, so one of them is about I want you to throw your views or I want you to throw light on demonetization.
Yes.
What would you say about demonetization? So, could you please tell us?
Yes. So now I am going to tell about what is demonetization. Demonetization is the time to change the currency. That is new old currency to new currency.
Okay.
In past, it has occurred 4 times.
Okay.
Uh, one time before independence and 3 times after independence in past. And recently in 2016, it has occurred at the time of PM Narendra Modi. And he
You can
he
say rather than saying it has occurred, it occurred, or it happened, or it took place.
okay.
You will make it in past indefinite tense,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay.
Yes. It happened in 2016
Okay.
at the time of PM Narendra Modi. So his intention was good at that time, but demonetization was successful at this time, and it has so many pros and cons are there. I want to say about pros. It has so many pros as compared to cons. Cons are there. So in that
Advantages and disadvantages you are talking of.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Now I want to tell about advantages.
Okay.
The advantages is that now we are able to use internet connection carefully, like Paytm and PhonePe. In 2016 we did not have nothing like PhonePe.
We did not have anything.
Yes, we did not have anything like PhonePe and
आपने did में
Paytm.
नोट लगा दिया ना, तो आप nothing नहीं बोलोगे, आप बोलोगे anything.
Okay, sir.
So we did not have
Anything.
right?
Yes. So and we were not able to use internet connection in a right way.
Okay.
So now we are using carefully. So this is a very good advantage of demonetization.
Right.
And also farmers were not able to do anything. Now they are using net. They are using without cashless payment. Now everything they are using.
So how is it related to demonetization? Could you please let us know?
Yes. In past, demonetization farmers were using cash.
Before demonetization?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Before demonetization, farmers were using cash payment. And so after demonetization, they faced a lot. They faced problems a lot because demonetization they did not have money. So that's why they committed suicide because they did not have money. They were not able to buy anything. So that's why if they were able to use internet connection, they successful at that time.
They had been successful.
Yes, they had been successful at that time.
Okay.
But they did not know anything. So this is a good advantage of farmers.
Oh, sir, okay. It is one of the good advantages.
Yes.
Okay, so was it a successful step or a failure? So was it completely successful?
Yes, sir. It has two parts, pros and cons. Is that
so talk about the disadvantages that took place in the country?
Yes, disadvantages is that at the time of it happened at this time. So marriages were going on at that time. So many parents were suffered a lot. Suffered a lot,
right?
Yes, so many parents suffered a lot at this time because marriages were going on,
right.
And the parents of bride wanted more money at that time.
Obviously.
Yes, so but they did not have any chance. And that's why they suffered a lot at this time. And but
at that time. Right.
And I think our Prime Minister should give knowledge before pass this rule.
Before passing the rule. Right.
So bride, the family.
But in the case of demonetization, if he had given knowledge, then people would have been alert, right? And they may have taken their all the money out, or they may have gone through the money laundering prior to that. So that's why it was not appropriate to leak it out.
Yes, it is not appropriate. But in that condition, so many people suffered a lot.
Yes.
But in that condition, nowadays rich are rich, poor are poor at that time also and nowadays also.
Okay.
So black money people black money converted in white
It
money.
got converted.
Yes, it got converted automatically
Hmm.
because of money. Because of money was there, they were rich at that time.
Hmm.
And who suffered? People were suffered a lot.
Right. Poor people suffered a lot
Yes.
finally. Okay. What all would you like to say about it? I mean, then what should have happened? So was it completely a successful step?
Yes, sir. It completely.
But why did it fail? Some people say it failed. Why did it fail?
No, sir. I think not because of suffered, because they
Because of the sufferings.
because of lining. They made lining in front of banks on for a whole day,
Hmm.
and they took a leave for his or her work.
Okay.
That's why.
But some people also say that the managers were involved in money laundering and they got some commission. It is a kind of a rumor, or is it a rumor or is it true that the managers were involved in money laundering? They got commission and they
Yes, sir.
changed the currency, so the rich people actually got their money converted just by paying some commission. So because they greased the managers' palms, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what would you say about that? I mean, is it true?
No, sir. It is not true.
How can you say that?
Because sir, corruption was there a lot.
Corruption is there, right? That's
Yes.
what I'm saying. Because corruption is there, that's why the managers were corrupt. And under the corruption, they actually converted the money of people and just by taking some commission. So that complete money got converted, and
Yes.
that is why there was a dearth. There was a dearth of money in the banks, and the people who needed money, they actually wanted to get 2000 rupees only. But they were not getting 2000 rupees. Rather, those rich people, because they got their money converted. So the poor people didn't get even 2000 rupees. I mean, that was the basic that people should have got,
Yes, sir.
but they didn't get.
Yes.
They didn't get it. So why didn't they get it? Because money laundering was there.
Yes.
Because rich people got their money converted. This was the cause. So this all happened. So what would you say about it?
So
Because on what basis am I saying this to you? Let me tell you. I mean, because there are people in my church. Actually, some of them came to me and asked me if I had some money to deposit in the bank or get converted. They were ready to do so. Some people approached me because they got their money converted. They were rich. Rather, I was expecting they would ask me to deposit their money in my bank. Rather, they said, what did they say to me? They said, if you have some money, you can give it to me. I'll do a kind of a safeguard of your money.
yes.
So it was adverse.
Yes.
What would you say about it?
Yes, sir. In that
So according to me, because of this, sorry to interrupt you. According to me, because of this, it was a failure.
yes, it was a failure, and it was good also, sir.
I know it was good as well. But if it had been implemented nicely, precisely, it could be a great success.
Yes, sir. But if it did not happen in past, so now farmers are not able to do internet connection, and now we are not able to do any
This is
transition.
counterfactual sentence. You should say this like this. If it had not been implemented in the past,
Yes.
now the farmers wouldn't have been able to use the internet or the mode of digital payment.
Yes, like transitions are not there.
Transactions wouldn't have been there
Yes.
digitally, right? That's what you want to say.
Yes.
Now I want to ask you that there is a recession in the market. So what is the reason behind the recession in the market? Who is responsible for it?
Our Prime Minister is responsible for
You
it.
you hold him responsible.
Yes,
So what
sir.
are the reasons behind it? Please let us know. How is he responsible? On what basis did you say that?
Because sir, now every items is
Look here, I mean,
Yes,
yes,
now
talk
I-
to me.
now every prices is going on high a lot.
So price soaring is there.
Yes, price.
So prices are soaring.
Yes,
You
prices
have
are
to say
soaring.
like that. So prices are soaring.
Nowadays prices are soaring a lot. So in that condition, it should be low because so many poor people are not able to buy anything.
Okay.
So in that condition, it should be low, sir.
So this is the cause, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but why dearness is there? Why are the prices going high? Who is responsible? What are the main causes behind it? Tell me.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know about
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, you can just find out and speak on it then, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have another question to you. I want you to please speak on the live-in relationship. What do you know about it, or is it good or bad? First of all, I want to know, do you know what live-in relationship is?
Yes, sir.
So please tell us.
I think in India, living relationship is not good.
Why?
Yes, because our India's people of Indian people's mentality is orthodox mentality.
Okay.
So in that condition, this living relationship is not good here.
So should the people mind the other people's mentality in that case?
Yes, sir. If
Why
we are
should they
living
mind
in
it?
society, that we should have mind the others people.
But if
mentality.
somebody is getting benefited by doing something, why should he or she mind it?
What would you get benefit from living
Benefit
relationship?
is that because they get to know about each other precisely, completely, or thoroughly. They actually get to know about each other. Each and everything.
If you really want to get to know each other, then you can talk, then you can make a friendship, then you can love each other. But there is not a condition to living in a relationship.
Okay, but why no? Because without living under the same roof, I believe you cannot know a person thoroughly. To some extent you can know a person, but in order to get married, because you have to be compatible. So because of the compatibility, which is the most important part of the married life, it is very important or essential, or it is vital to know a person. And one can know a person just by living under the same roof for 24 hours. Then you get to know each and everything. So what's wrong in this? And let's say people lived in the live-in relationship and they got married later, right? Because they knew each other very well. So I mean, what's wrong in this if they get married later and if they tie the knot?
Yes, in that condition, if you really want to get knowledge from other person, then we spend whole day with him.
We can spend.
Yes, we can spend whole day on job, and we can spend 7 and 10 hours is sufficient to make a relation, sir.
Okay.
Not 24 hours.
But how can they, if people are not in job then? If people just live in the neighborhood then? How can they meet each other? Because the parents don't allow them.
Yes, if parents don't allow to do a job and to talk to each other from, so
Yes.
how would you live in relationship? How would you live in a relationship?
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Because parents don't allow. But if people get a chance
Yes.
to go for the live-in relationship, then why should they leave? Why should they leave? I mean, why should they not live in this relationship?
So, sir, is there any guarantee? Is there if we live in relationship?
If he lives in this relationship,
If he lives,
if they live,
yes.
if they live in this relationship,
Yes. So they will not be separated.
because by spending some time, guarantee is nowhere, right? But by spending more time, they know more. By spending low time, they know about a person to a short extent, not to a great extent, just to a small extent they get to know. This is the case. I know guarantee is nowhere. People can get divorced even after 14 or 15 years of their life. But when they spend a big time, they know a lot about a person. Because there is a big difference between just knowing or knowing completely. Right? Because when you live together, so many things take place. So many things take place. Because there are so many works to be done in a family, in home, right? Then let's say somebody has an ego. Sometimes a work has to be done and both the people have ego. Then there would be a question that who would do it. So there can be quarrel. There can be a quarrel, right? Can't it be? So how would you get to know that the person has ego? that this person is like this. Because when you meet for some time, people only show their goodness, the qualities, right? You have seen Big Boss.
Yes, sir.
It is actually shown in Big Boss when those people, celebrities, look very nice, but when they live together and spend some time, right, then the reality is revealed. That is the main concept of Big Boss, right?
Yes, sir.
The reality of the celebrities, they fight
Yes.
there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you get to see, oh, is this person like this? I didn't expect. Got it?
Yes,
So in the living relationship, you get an idea or a fair idea. I'm of opinion
if
like
our
this.
parents don't allow this thing, so
So parents
how
don't
can
allow,
I do?
that's a different case. But if people get a chance, because you said it is wrong. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
say even if you are getting a chance, or not you, people are getting chance to be in this relationship, then why should they not? If people are not getting a chance, that's a different case altogether. But if people are getting a chance, then why should they not go through? Why shouldn't they go through?
I think first of all is that no one no one will allow to live together.
That's a
in
different case.
in
I already said, if you don't get a chance, you can't live. But if you get a chance, why not to live?
So sir, is that related to like movie also? Is there Luka Chupi movies? There
Yes.
no one gave room and house like there. No
But
one.
in metropolitan cities, some people are there, they don't mind. That's a different case. Yeah, you are not wrong.
Yes.
Because everybody doesn't give room to such people.
Yes.
And sometimes they have to lie. But if some people allow them, then on what basis should they not live together?
Sir, it is not good.
Finally,
Before marriage,
I think you are stereotyping. You are actually holding the old beliefs. You yourself said, I mean, the parents have the orthodox mentality. But when you talk like this, don't you think that you also have orthodox mentality?
no sir, I don't have orthodox mentality. I am believing.
Then why are you denying again and again without giving any reason?
Yes, sir. I believe in that. If we spend whole day with him, if we spend 1 hour with him, then we can find nature automatically.
Okay. Do you think you have that kind of a knack of knowing people?
Yes. After 1 year, 2 years, sir, we will know definitely
After
about
2
his nature.
years,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
But it is a long time. But what about the arranged marriages? In the arranged marriages, you don't even meet the person. You max to max, you just talk to the person over the phone.
Yes.
So by just talking over the phone, do you think you can know a person?
So that's why arranged marriages are successful nowadays. Living marriage.
No, when did I say that arranged marriages are successful? Even first of all, arranged marriages are not being solemnized nowadays. Do you know? It has become very, very difficult for the people to get their sons and daughters married. If you are not aware of this fact, then you should be apprised of this fact.
Yes, sir.
Do you know this? Nowadays, even settled people who are successful, let's say doing a job or well educated, still are not getting married easily. Do you know this fact?
No, sir. If the person is successful, then he will marry. He will
No,
get
I'm
married.
not talking about a big success. Let's say a person is earning enough. Fine. Still not getting married. Many girls are there. They are beautiful, well educated, but not getting married easily. I'm not saying they are not getting married. I'm saying not getting married easily. Because the parents, they have to go through a big hassle to get them married. You should be apprised of this fact if you are not.
Yes, sir. But in my life, I did not see like
You didn't
this.
see, okay, lack of
Yes, sir.
experience is there right now,
Yes,
as
sir.
of now. That's why. I have seen people, initially they deny for love marriage also.
Yes.
Forget about the live-in relationship. But later, when the sons or the daughters don't get married, when they fail to get married or when they fail to just get a match, then they themselves allow them to go for the love marriage. And then they get ready to change their mentality. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, you tried your best to answer the questions. Yeah, just get experience, get to know about the things
Yes.
around you, so that you would be updated. Because I think you are not updated with
Yes,
some
sir.
facts, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, you tried your best to answer the questions. Now I want to know what is the importance of English. Let's come to this. Why are you learning English?
Because to take a job, because to improve my personality,
Okay.
to increase my communication skills also.
So
That's
I have a question. Before joining this institute, English Mania, what was your condition? And after joining English Mania, what improvement is there, or what are the changes that you got in your personality?
I really want to say my English was very pathetic.
In the beginning,
Yes, in
that's
the
why you were
beginning.
smiling or laughing
Yes.
at yourself. Okay.
Yes, now really, I can say this. My English is very good. I can understand grammar,
Hmm.
but in before English Mania, I was not able to understand grammar. Also, I was not able to speak a lot in English.
Okay.
No, now I can speak. Yesterday I went to school
Okay.
for a job interview.
Hmm.
Then I was able to talk in English for principal, and I was able to teach in English also.
Okay.
Then-
And you were able to talk to the principal there.
Yes, in English.
So you find yourself confident now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it has brought changes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. That's good. Good to hear that. Okay, Anjali, it was good. I mean, you tried your best to answer the questions. Just now you are able to talk nicely in English. Yeah, I can see that. Basically, you are able to speak, but I mean, you just have to work more on your communication skills, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that was it. Thank you so much. I'll come back again with many more questions. Okay, by the time you can take a short break. Okay, we will be right back once
Thank you,
again.
sir.
Right? Okay.